everyone, so I'm going to show you how I made this beautiful fandelier, so keep continuing to watch. Now I'm putting the top layer on, and I am placing the top layer in between the spaces of the bottom layer, and I am gluing the top layer outside of the fan or the light. Excuse my big old arms. I have gained so much weight during this quarantine. It's ridiculous. So I meet with my personal trainer on Tuesday. I cannot wait because this weight has to go. I'm sure I'm not the only one that's having this issue, but I definitely don't like how it's making me feel. I feel so much heavier and I don't like it. Excuse my daughter, she's so silly. She's 4. So now I'm placing the crystal ribbon around the top layer of the crystals, so that you don't see where it meets the fan, like where it's glued at. Also, I have to keep getting down to go over to my hot glue gun. I didn't have an extension cord for it to be placed where I'm at in the center of the room, so I have to keep getting down to go over and put some glue on the pieces. So I kind of felt like the fan was still a little plain, even though it had the crystal chandelier on it, it still was plain to me. So I went ahead and took my Dollar Tree tray that I had bought, and I had cut it up, and I started placing some of the pieces, some of the border of the tray on the ends of the fan, and then I'm going to cut up the center of the tray and make some thin strips and place those in the center of the individual fan. I started placing the strips onto the fan, and I knew once I had finished all of that it was complete. It was exactly what it needed. Here is the completed look. I absolutely love it. It is so gorgeous, and I'm so glad that I decided to take the tray and cut up those pieces and add it to it. I feel like it really completed the look. Here's with the light and the fan on. Oh my god, guys, it looks so great. Like, I'm really shocked it turned out this good. Here's another look at the picture of the completed look. Please comment down below how you like it. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe.